This 2022 Tiffin Open Road Allegro 32FA is a Class A RV. It is located in Fort Myers, Florida, 33905 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Fort Myers. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin and features sleeps 7, Slideout, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2022 Tiffin Open Road Allegro 32FA is built on a Ford 24K chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.